Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get easier lobbies in Warzone. Many players desire a more relaxed gaming experience, often seeking matches against less skilled opponents. This approach can significantly boost your in-game performance, leading to higher kill counts and more victories. We'll dive into the single most effective strategy players use to influence their matchmaking outcomes, helping you understand the core principles behind finding those coveted easier games. The fundamental strategy revolves around optimizing your server connection. Your geographical location plays a significant role in how the matchmaking system places you. By strategically connecting to servers in different regions, players can access alternative player pools. Some areas, particularly those with fewer active players during certain hours, tend to have a higher concentration of less experienced opponents, effectively sidestepping the usual skill-based matchmaking parameters. Beyond just server location, timing your Warzone sessions is equally crucial. Playing during off-peak hours, such as very early mornings or late nights in a chosen region, can significantly impact the skill level of your opponents. During these times, fewer highly skilled players are typically online, increasing your chances of encountering less experienced competition. Always consider the time zones of your target servers for the most effective results. To put this strategy into practice, begin by researching server populations and their respective peak hours. You'll need to experiment with connecting to various regional servers to identify which ones consistently offer easier lobbies. Pay close attention to the skill level of your opponents and the overall game flow. Remember, this method requires consistent adjustment and testing to find the sweet spot for your desired matchmaking experience, but it's the most discussed approach.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.